All right, guys, welcome back. Have another short video for you guys. 2019 Hyundai Ioniq. I'm going to show you how to do that engine oil light reset right now. What you want to do is you're going to go press this menu button right here on your steering wheel until you get to your wrench right there, the little wrench. You're going to scroll down until you find the service required. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the steering wheel, press the OK button, and you hold it. And then, as you can tell, service has been reset. 7,500 miles, 182 days. Nice and simple. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, don't forget to follow and like for more. And yeah, it was that simple. Once again, you go to the menu, go until you see the little wrench right there, until you get to the service. Then it's gonna tell you on the bottom, this one we already did it, but in the bottom it's gonna tell you hold the OK button to reset. You're gonna hold it for about 3-5 seconds, and then it's gonna reset your service right there. As you can tell, this one's done. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one.